Hey you guys, so I got this beautiful wig from a company called hairspells.com, and as you can see I received my package via DHL, and this is the packaging that came with this unit. It's so pretty. I absolutely love this resealable satin bag that they sent. Also, they sent some lashes and a card with all of the information about the wig. So the secondary packaging was also very pretty. It's like a pink lace, also resealable bag that you can put your wig back in just to store it. And of course it has a protective net and some tissue paper just to keep the shape of the wig. So this is the unit straight out of the package. As you can see, I haven't done anything to it. Now, all of the information about this wig will be down below in the description box, but just for your FYI, I received mine in 22 inches, and the origin is Indian, and this is human hair natural wave lace front wig. So it does have 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. And as you can see, it does have this little lace in the back just in case you want to do a really quick updo. So trying the wig on for the first time, I noticed that it is big head friendly. You even have more room to cut off lace if you need to. I chose to just tuck this wig behind my ears, and I did not adhere it to my head because I just simply did not have the time to commit to this wig because I had so many other wigs to review that day. So I didn't want to adhere it to my head and just, I couldn't get the rest of my videos out. But you guys, I noticed that there was quite a bit of shedding as I was combing through the wig. It did stop eventually, and after that it was, the wig was just fine. You do get quite a bit of parting space, maybe about 3 inches of parting space the most. I did not take advantage of the parting space because I actually like the way the wig looks without parting. And as you guys see me smelling the wig, it smells really good. It smells like it was washed and conditioned with some really yummy smelling conditioner. But yeah, as you can see, as I was combing out, I did receive several strands of hair. It did not tangle, that I did notice. And other than that, the wig is absolutely beautiful. I love the curls. I love the wave pattern. It's just really, really pretty. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.